Good morning, class 11th. So today we start the exercise 1.3. So before starting the exercise, some definitions are there that we have to discuss. So come on the page number 9. This one, subset. So we have to discuss the subset. What are the subsets? Suppose it is given that consider the sets X is equals to set of students in your school and Y is your set of all students in your class. Okay, two sets are there. He said that students in your school and second one is set of all students in your class. We note that every element of Y is also an every element of X. Means set of all students in your class are come from all the school only. Means all the students, suppose in our school that all the students are total 800 to 900. Okay, and second thing is that our class having 50 students or 40 students. So 40 students are come under the 800. So all the students of our class is coming in the school only. So this is basically called as a subset. I explained with the example also. Look at that. Some terms are there. That set of Q, rational number is a subset of real number. Means all the rational numbers are come under the real number. We know that. Okay. Similarly, many are there. If A is a all divisor of 56, these are the example given. Now consider this one. This one I will see. Example number 9. Consider the set. This one will be the null set. A 1,3, B 159 and C 13579. Now insert the symbol this one, subset 1. Subset means the element of this set belongs to second one and this will be not belong. Okay. So now see that phi is subset of B or not. Means all the elements of phi are in the B. All the elements of this are in the B. Phi is the null set. Nothing is there. So we can write phi is the all the elements of phi is subset of B, where phi is a subset of every set. Now second one, A is subset of B or not. Means see that what have elements A 1, 3 and what are the elements having B 1, 5, 9. Here 1 is there, here also 1 there, but here 3 is not there. Only 5 and 9 is there. So no, this will be not the subset of A is not the subset of B. Now see that the third one, A is subset of C or not. Means the element A 1, 3 are in the C or not. Yes, it is present in the C 1, 3. So we can write A is the subset of C, or we can write what 1, 3. What are the elements? 1, 3 belongs to A. The set will be the subset of the other, and whatever elements inside the set we can represent the sign by belongs to. Now B is subset of C. B is subset of C means 1, 5, 9. 1 is here, 5 is here, 9 is here. So 1, 5, 9 are in the set of the C. Yes, B is subset of C. Now same as the example number 10, you can do. 10th example is, let A is equals to A, E, I, O, U and B is equals to A, B, C, D. Is A subset of B? See that all the elements of A set are in the B or not? No, all the elements are not there. So right answer is no. Is B a subset of A? Means all the elements of B are in the A. That is also no. Same as the example number 11. Now subset of real numbers. This is the set of the natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the set of integers -1, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinite. Rational numbers P upon Q. Okay, these are the some sets. Now we will discuss this thing first, set 1. Now afterwards we go for the definitions. Next topic. First one is that make correct statement by filling the symbol of subset or not subset. Look at that first one part. 2, 3, 4 are in this or not? Yes, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there. So we can write here subset. We can write the sign of the subset. A, B, C. A is not there, B is there, C is there, but no, A is not there. So what we can write? This one sign, second one, not subset. Now third one is X, such that X is a student of class 11th of your school, and x such that student of your school, yes, class 11th are in the school only, so all the student of class 11th are from the school, so we can write here subset. Now fourth one, x such that x is a circle in the plane, and x is a circle in the same plane with radius 1 unit. Yes, all the circle will come or not in this one. You just think about that, all the circles will come under this or not. I will give just a here you say that circle in the plane, and here only one radius 1 unit. So all the circles will not come. Here some bigger circles are there, smaller circles are there, but here only the who having the radius 1. Now fifth also, x is a triangle in a plane, and here rectangle, so all the triangles are not come under the rectangle. This is also not a subset. Then sixth one, x is an equilateral triangle in a plane, and x is a triangle in the same plane. Yes, all the equilateral triangles are come under the triangles only. Now seventh one, x is an even natural number, or here integer. So all the even natural number are come in the integer or not. Yes, all the even numbers are come in the integer only. So here you can write the subset sign. Now we move to the second question. Examine whether the following are true or false. First one, a comma b is a subset, not a subset of b comma c comma a. This is the subset, we all know. First one is the false. Second one, a comma e, x is a vowel in English alphabet. Yes, a comma b, e is in this only. So answer is true. Third one, 1 comma 2 comma 3, this one 1 comma 2 comma 3 or 1 comma 3 comma 5, no, all the elements are not there if you see this one. Fourth one, a is a subset of abc. Yes, a is a subset of abc, true. Fifth one, a belongs to abc, look at that, a belongs to abc, no, we can't say that belongs. Listen one thing in class, whenever the sign of belongs will be there, these brackets are not included. Whenever signs are there, brackets are not included, only the elements will come. Like if I return this only na a, then we can write belong sign, a comma b comma c. Then sixth one, x is an even natural number less than 6, belongs to x is a natural number which divide 6, true or not. Sixth one, true only, subset, true. Now third one, last question for the class. Third question, a good question is there, third one. Third question is, if A is the set who having the element 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Now 3 comma 4 now I will take a chalk and explain to you this thing. Now look at here. Here what are the elements? First I tell. 1 is the element, 2 is the element, 3 comma 4. This is completely an element only. I will write here. Look at that question number third. A 1, 2, 3 comma 4, 5. So what are the elements? This is the first element, second element. This is complete an element. Okay. And this will be the last element. So what I said, whenever the element will come only, suppose element, what I write, I can write this 1 is the subset of A, means 1 belongs to A, and if I want to write belong sign, so I have to write 1 belongs to A. So whenever belong sign will be there, these brackets will not come. But see this, 3 comma 4 is a subset of A. Here what I said, that belong sign is there, means these brackets are not there, but in this condition these are the elements only. This complete an element. What I said, I have to write the element only for that. So this is wrong. We can't write this one. If one more bracket is there, then I can write this thing. Now see that first one answer means what? First one is incorrect. If we say what is the correct, this will be the correct, because this is the element, ये element है, and these are the set one sign. Now second one is true. This time it is true because this is the element only. So second part is what? Correct. Second one is correct. Now see that third one part. Now it is correct. Two brackets are there. This is the element 3, 4 inside one, and these are for the set. Third one is the correct. Then fourth one belongs to A. We all know one is A only. Yes, correct. Fourth one answer is what? Correct only. Then fifth one is subset of A. No, here we have to write the sign also. Fifth one is incorrect. If we say what is the correct answer, we have to write like this, then it will be correct. Sixth one, 1, 2, 5 is a subset of A. 1, 2, 5. Yes, correct. Sixth one is correct. Then seventh, 1, 2, 5 belongs to A. No, here the bracket sign will be not there in the belong sign. Seventh one is incorrect. Seventh, incorrect. Then if you say what is the correct answer, seventh one, 1, 2, 5 belongs to A. This is the answer only. Bracket sign are not there. Eighth one, 1, 2, 3. Now see that 3 are in the bracket. 3 are in the bracket. We can write 3 outside the bracket. So third one is incorrect. Third one what? Eighth one is incorrect. Ninth one, 5 is a subset of 5 belongs to A. It is correct or not? Now two questions are there, 9th one and 10th one. Which option is correct? What do you think? 9th one or 10th one? Anyone knows that answer? Then write your notebook which option is correct. Then I will just tell you only. So here 9th option is wrong. If you know that 9th one will be wrong, 10th one will be right. We can't write 5 belongs to A. Here we have to write in the bracket. 5 also we have to write in that bracket. Or you can write 5 is subset of A. 10th one is the right. This one is incorrect. 10th one is the correct, and 11th one. Now what do you think? If you write 5 in the bracket, it is correct or not? It is correct now. 11th one is correct or not? A confusion is there or not? Just tell me. Confusion was there. Sir, how can you write the 5 in the bracket? No. 11th one is also what? Incorrect. We can't write 5 in the bracket. Just now I remind to you, this one is incorrect. This one is also incorrect. This only the correct. 5 is subset of A. We can write 5 subset of A only. We can't write these are in the curly brackets. 5 we can't write in the curly brackets. So up to third question we completed. Whenever this exercise will complete, I will take a live class. So I discuss the doubt of up to exercise 1.3. Now few questions are left that we discuss in the next class, and exercise will be complete. Thank you all of you.